Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make resin hard quickly. We'll cover essential techniques to speed up the curing process safely and effectively. You'll learn about the importance of accurate mixing, controlling temperature, and applying heat. These methods will help you achieve a durable, solid finish for your resin projects in less time. Let's get started with the key steps. Achieving a fast cure starts with precise measurements. Always follow your product's recommended mixing ratio, typically 1:1 or 2:1, by volume or weight. An incorrect ratio can lead to a sticky, uncured mess. Also, ensure your workspace is warm, ideally between 70 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Pre-warming your resin and hardener bottles in a warm water bath can also kickstart the curing reaction. Applying gentle, consistent heat is a powerful way to accelerate curing. A heat gun or warming mat works well. Just keep the heat source moving to avoid scorching. For larger projects, pour your resin in thin layers, no thicker than 1/4 inch. This allows heat to dissipate evenly and helps each layer cure faster before you add the next one. Maintain a clean, well-ventilated workspace to prevent dust and ensure proper air circulation. If your resin remains tacky after the expected cure time, gently apply more heat to the surface. Remember, each resin product has unique properties, so always consult the manufacturer's instructions for the best results and safety guidelines. With these tips, you'll achieve perfectly cured resin projects quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.